Good afternoon, classes.
Good afternoon, sir.
So today, you know that one thing, that whenever the fire takes place, so how we extinguish the fire?
No, sir.
Okay, so we are going to learn about that briefly. So everybody look this side. So first, what is this? This is fire extinguisher. This is fire.
Extinguisher.
Okay, by the help of this we can extinguish the fire, means we can control the fire. Yes, but we can control the small fire only. Yes, if sometime fire takes place in lab, so we can control that. If fire takes place in our by short circuit, means about the electric things. Yes, so we can extinguish by these all the things. Sometime in our house gases are there, LPG gases are there, we make food made up of gas. So sometime if gas leaks, so we can use these all the things. But if fire takes place in a big house, so we cannot use this thing because this is very small thing. Yes, so at that time we have to call the fire brigade. So now we are going to learn by looking this, that when we can use this kind of fire extinguisher. So there are different categories of fire extinguisher are there. So we are going to learn when we are going to use these all the things. So number one, everybody look this side. So it is telling that organic material, i.e. wood, paper, rubber, plastic and cloth, etc. So when something fire takes place, so on the solid object, so that the small objects are there, so at that time we can use such kind of fire extinguisher. Okay, now if sometime fire takes place on the liquid also, like there are different kinds of liquids are there, petrol, diesel, so these all are the liquids are also there, so we can use at the time also, so to extinguish the fire. Then gas, I told you before that in everybody's home that LPG gas is there. Yes, so we use that for making food. So if fire takes place there, so we can use this metal also. And so there are so many small ways we can use these all the fire extinguisher. Now we are going to learn that how many kinds of fire extinguishers are there. Okay, so one is the water CO2. So it is CO2 means you know very well. Yes, so it is carbon dioxide and water, both will be there in that fire extinguisher, means different categories of fire extinguisher are there. Okay, then dry chemical powder. Okay, so the things should be look like similar, but something will be written. By looking that you have to understand that this is the dry chemical powder. This is the dry chemical powder. Okay, now carbon dioxide, you can get the fire extinguisher, inside of that fully carbon dioxide is filled, and you know very well that you have learned already in your science book that wherever carbon dioxide is there, so fire will extinguish. Yes, so you know that and as much the means oxygen will be there, so that much the fire will burn, and when the oxygen will finish, then fire will extinguish. So we are putting there carbon dioxide. Yes, so by the help of carbon dioxide fire will extinguish. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you like this video, subscribe our ANSHUL VIDHYA channel. Thank you.